Here is a simple lighting setup with our model, our mannequin, sitting sideways in the middle of two windows. The horizontal blinds are drawn, but if I bring up the one that's in front, it's going to add more light coming in and more contrast. So the shadows are going to get deeper and the light side's going to get lighter. Move the camera so you can see the position. Here's a similar scenario, only our mannequin is past the windows, still sideways to the windows, but past the windows. So light is bouncing around the room and creates a softer light. If I open the blinds, this is the furthest one away, it just gets more ambient light. But if I open the one that's closer, start to get some more contrast back, although not as contrasty as the previous position in the middle of the windows. I'll pick up the camera so you can see the position. Here our model is between the two windows with light coming in from the back, which is why she appears dark. And what I'll do is I'll drop the blinds on the background window. And things get a little softer, more reasonable. If I drop them on the foreground window, they get more shady. Here's the position. We can see right in the middle between the two windows. Here the model is close to the window but out a little bit, probably 2 feet out, and turned towards the camera. The camera is against the window. So it's like the light coming in the window is coming over the camera's left shoulder and hitting the model mainly here. Both shades are down. Let's see what happens when I pull up one shade. So we get a little more contrast that way. If I pull up the second shade, things are going to backlight a little bit. I'll pick up the camera so you can see where this is. Okay, tell that the model's away from the window a little. This is the same light experiment as the previous one. The only difference is the model has moved just down past the windows a little bit. The windows are still on the side, which is past the windows a little bit. And the camera is almost against the window. Shades are down, so let me pull the furthest one up, get more light in here. And now I'm going to pull the second one up, the one that's closer. And just to show you the position, the camera was right there. Now the camera has its proverbial back against the window, so the light is coming in over the top of the camera and around the camera and right to our subject, our model. The model is facing, her shoulders are facing directly at the window in the center. Shades are up. Let's see what happens when I put them down. Gets a little darker, a little contrasty, not much though. And just for position, so you see